Alright guys, so this is the fourth time actually that I am recording this video for you because apparently Streamlabs wasn't working properly. So anyways, we are analyzing Bank Nifty for tomorrow's market on an hourly time frame, and let us go along with the process. If market opens with a gap down, okay, and if it gaps down somewhere over here, then I would be selling the market right away. I won't even wait for a bounce, and I would be selling it till this point. This would be my first target, with which is 34,634, and then it can hover for in this point for like 1 or 2 minutes, and then it can directly go down also, because there's a high chance, as Bank Nifty has making those type of bearish tendency since a while, and the market is quite inflated right now. So we are expecting a downtrend rather than an uptrend. Okay, so I wanted to go down, but just in case it doesn't go down, okay, if it opens with a huge gap down over here, somewhere over here, where's that ghost line? Okay, so if it opens with a huge gap down, I would not be selling it over here. I would be waiting for it to take a support at this point, and then I would be rather buying it with a small SL somewhere at this point. And I'm expecting that if it opens with a huge gap down, there can be some amount of retracement till this level. So I would recommend, please be careful, please be cautious, and then only sell the market, sell the rally. Okay, not, don't sell the dips, sell the rally. And always buy the dips, guys. Okay, this is the common mistake which people do, and these are just projections. Anything can happen in the real market. All right, so this is what I want Bank Nifty to do. Now if it opens with a gap up, then I would be buying the market only when it crosses this point, or it opens over here, then crosses this point, that is 35,275. okay, takes a support over here, and then it goes up. So this is what I'm expecting Bank Nifty to do in both these scenarios tomorrow for the morning trade. All right, and accordingly we are going to decide what would be the factors. Accordingly, we are also going to take the trade depending upon whether it's a bullish day or a bearish day. Okay, and I'll be updating that in my Telegram group in the morning itself, in the pre-market and analysis. So make sure to join in the Telegram group, which is there in the description down below. So this is the chart of Bank Nifty on a 5-minute time frame, and you can see that it's again taking a support of this trend line, 1 2 3 4 5 times, and there's a strong support at this point also, and that's why I had selected this point for selling Bank Nifty tomorrow. It would be really favorable for us if it opens with a small gap down, then I would be looking to sell it at market price, guys. All right, so this is the important point, 34,983. Make sure to note it down. Now coming on to Nifty. Well, Nifty, you can see that it has taken a resistance over here at 15,900, and it's going down. So my initial target would be this point over here, 15,809. But if it opens with a gap down, then I would be aiming for 15,764. After that, we have to make sure, we have to wait for the price action, and then only we'll be able to take the down trade only if it breaks this point. And this point is also really important because this is the 50% retracement of the Fibonacci. Alright, so this is the plan in Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow, and I have selected a few stocks also, and you'll be seeing really wonderful results because of the pre-analysis which we had done. Okay, and you can see that Reliance has taken a support exactly at the 38% retracement, keeping in mind that I have drawn this with the help of the hourly time frame. Alright, this is the point where Reliance can come down again because it has made a bearish tendency over here. If you can see, if I zoom in, you can see that it's coming down. If it comes down and takes a support exactly at this point, This is the point where it can take a support tomorrow. $2,082, then you can go for the buy in Reliance. If it breaks this level, sorry, 2066, because previously it has taken a support over there. So 2066, once it breaks this level, then we would be going for the sell in Reliance, and your first target would be 2016. All right, initially this would be a really nice target in Reliance. Mostly all of the stocks I have selected are for selling mainly. All right, so let's see. Okay, it's getting a call, sorry. So let's go to the next stock which we have selected, HDFC Bank. Again, a downtrend in HDFC Bank. It's at a very crucial level. Previously it had broken out from this point, which was a really good trend line over here, a downtrend which was taking place in HDFC. After breaking out, you can see that it had consolidated, but again it came down. All right, it had already crossed this point, which is 1456. Okay, and now it's trading below this point. So your first target on the sell side again can be 1424 with a 0.5% of SL. All right, a small SL and a huge target. This would be your first target. HDFC Bank, we have a stock which is also there in my portfolio, and I had selected it previously. This was my entry over here. This was my entry, 68.50, 568. I had entered, and I'm still long in it. You can see that it had taken a support of this trend line again and again and again and again. All right, and it had gone up. Every time it comes down to this trend line, it takes a support, it goes up. So now it had created a demand and supply zone, and this would be a really good support for Wipro. Okay, but I'm totally on the buy side for this stock. And as you know guys, when Banknifty or other indexes they go down, IT tends to go up because they are inversely proportional to each other. All right, so tomorrow your buy point would be, if it comes down, your buy point would be 589 rupees or 590 rupees. But if it comes down, there's a high probability that it won't come down. All right, so this is on the buy side. And we have Adani Ports. You know that the news in Adani is not coming out to be really favorable for the company, and the owner had lost more than $4 to $5 billion after that journalist had announced the bad news that some of the Adani stocks has given a return of more than 1000% in the last 1 year. All right, so that's why this group has been targeted, and you can see that Adani is in a clear downtrend, and you can see this was the previous trend line, which now it has broken already, and now the price is trading somewhere below this point. And I wanted to cross this point, which is 677. After it crosses, sorry, not 677, I would like it to cross, it would be at a sell range once it crosses 676 rupees. Okay, you can sell it once it crosses this point, and you can easily get a target of 667. So that's 10 points in Adani is actually nothing, and this would be your second target, which is 660. Keeping a really small SL, your SL would be hardly 5 to 10 points. All right, this would be your SL. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video guys. Definitely give it a like and subscribe, because I share my analysis every day, and I'll be making more of these videos as soon as I get more time. All right, and sharing the trades with you, and also sharing my position in the Telegram channel, so make sure to join in. The link is there in the description. All right, take care guys, bye.